Eco-friendly packaging is a massive moneymaker right now, but buying the wrong machine will completely bankrupt you. In this video, we're breaking down the top 10 machines that actually generate daily profit and the hidden risks that kill beginners. So, let's talk about machine number 1, the single-use food box manufacturing machine. Think about how you eat these days. Apps like Swiggy and Zomato have completely changed the game. Whether it's lunch at the office or late-night takeout, the demand for delivery is absolutely through the roof. But here's where the money is. Restaurants are desperately trying to get away from plastic containers because of all the new bans and massive pressure from customers who want sustainable options. That is where you come in with this machine. It takes raw paper sheets and stamps out the exact food boxes used every single day by local biryani joints, snack bars, and cloud kitchens. The beautiful part? You don't need a massive industrial complex to start. You can actually set this up in a relatively small factory space, make your product, and start selling directly to local food businesses who already need a continuous daily supply. But let's talk business strategy. If you want to make serious money here, you have to look at the hidden trap that trips up beginners: product quality. If your boxes leak, absorb grease too fast, or fall apart when a restaurant puts hot food inside, you will lose your clients instantly. Food-grade compliance is a massive deal right now in 2026, so your packaging has to hold up under heat. If you want a steady, recurring business model where clients buy from you week after week, this is a fantastic niche. Just focus heavily on quality control right from day one. Approach your local cloud kitchens with samples, and you can build a highly profitable supply network. Next up is number 2, the honeycomb paper envelope machine. If you want to tap into an e-commerce goldmine, pay close attention to this one. Think about the last time you ordered something online. It probably came stuffed with plastic bubble wrap. But with e-commerce booming and plastic bans tightening, online sellers are desperately looking for a green alternative. That is exactly what honeycomb paper is. It's a clever, expandable paper structure that protects fragile items just as well as plastic, but it's completely recyclable. This machine allows you to manufacture honeycomb paper wrappers, protective sleeves, and padded envelopes right from your facility. Because it's a relatively new product in the market, you won't be fighting hundreds of entrenched competitors. There is a massive, wide-open gap here to supply boutique e-commerce brands, electronic sellers, and cosmetic startups who want premium, eco-friendly presentation for their customers. Now, let's talk about how you actually turn this into cash, because there is a specific challenge here. Since it's a newer product, your biggest hurdle isn't competition, it's awareness. Many small business owners don't even know this alternative exists yet. To win this market and secure high-paying clients, you have to use visual marketing. Don't just send cold emails. Create quick video demonstrations showing a fragile item wrapped in your honeycomb paper being dropped without breaking. Show them how neat and professional it looks in an unboxing video. Once you demonstrate to an e-commerce brand that your packaging protects their goods and makes their brand look amazing to eco-conscious buyers, you can lock down profitable, recurring monthly contracts. Number 3 on our list is the biodegradable carry bag manufacturing machine. Now, if you want a business with massive, everyday volume, this is where the real scale is. Walk into any major supermarket, clothing store, or branded retail outlet right now, and you'll see the exact same thing: intense government pressure to completely eliminate traditional plastic bags. But businesses still need a way for customers to carry their goods home. That's why the demand for biodegradable bags has absolutely exploded. This machine uses plant-based materials, like cornstarch or cassava, to manufacture carry bags that look, feel, and function exactly like plastic, but decompose naturally in the environment. Because every single retail store needs thousands of these bags a week, the recurring order potential here is massive. You can start by targeting local, independent retail shops to get your cash flow moving, and then pitch to the larger supermarket chains once your production is running smoothly. But here is the financial catch you need to know if you want to stay profitable. The raw materials for these bags cost more than cheap, traditional plastic. If you try to compete purely on being the cheapest supplier, you will destroy your profit margins. To make serious money here, your pricing strategy has to be incredibly smart. You aren't just selling a bag, you're selling compliance and brand image. Pitch to brands that already position themselves as premium or eco-conscious. Companies that are willing to pay a slight premium to protect themselves from government fines and to look good to their customers. Master that pitch, and the sheer volume of repeat orders in this niche can build a highly lucrative manufacturing business. Number 4 is the paper bag making machine. If you want a business with a proven, recession-proof market that eats up inventory every single day, this is it. Just look around you. Almost every clothing boutique, pharmacy, bakery, and supermarket has completely abandoned plastic in favor of paper bags. Because governments are cracking down harder than ever on single-use plastics, this isn't a temporary trend. It is a permanent, multi-million-dollar shift in the retail economy. This machine is a total workhorse. It automatically takes huge rolls of craft paper, cuts them, folds them, and glues them into finished bags at an incredible speed. The beauty of this business model is the sheer consistency of the orders. A busy bakery or retail shop can burn through thousands of bags a week, meaning once you land a client, they become a recurring source of revenue month after month. To get your foot in the door without breaking the bank, you can start with a smaller, semi-automatic machine and focus entirely on supplying local neighborhood shops. But let's talk about the market reality and how you actually beat the competition to make a profit. Because paper bags are so popular, you will encounter larger suppliers who try to undercut you on price. If you get into a price war, your margins will get crushed. The secret to unlocking high profit margins here is customization and branding. Don't just sell plain brown bags. Offer custom logo printing right on the machine. Retailers love this because a printed paper bag acts like a walking billboard for their store when customers carry it down the street. By offering high-quality custom branding and ensuring fast, reliable delivery to local shops who can't afford to run out of packaging, you can charge a premium and build a highly protective, highly profitable local moat. Number 5 brings us to a massive industrial opportunity, the molded pulp tray making machine. If your goal is to build a high-volume business rooted in true sustainability and recycling, this is where the serious money is. Think about the sheer volume of egg trays, fruit protectors, and protective end caps used for shipping flat-screen TVs and electronics. They are all made from molded pulp. This machine allows you to enter the highly lucrative waste paper recycling sector. It takes cheap, abundant raw materials like old newspapers, discarded cardboard boxes, and office scrap, mixes it with water, and uses vacuum molds and heat to press them into highly durable, shock-absorbing packaging trays. The financial upside here is incredible because your raw material costs are practically pennies, while your finished products are bought in massive bulks by poultry farms, agricultural distributors, and electronics manufacturers. Because the poultry and e-commerce shipping sectors are growing so rapidly, your target market is constantly hungry for a steady supply of these trays. However, you need to understand the structural layout of this business before jumping in. Unlike the smaller machines we've discussed, a molded pulp unit requires a bit more factory-scale infrastructure, space, and a steady supply of water and power. The biggest operational risk that trips up beginners is the drying process. Once the trays are molded, they contain a lot of moisture. If you don't manage the drying stage perfectly, the trays can warp, develop mold, or lose their structural strength. To maximize your profits, you need to closely monitor quality control so your trays stay perfectly rigid. If you have the space to set up this production line, the ultra-low cost of waste paper combined with the massive, non-stop demand from the agricultural and electronic sectors makes this one of the most stable, high-margin long-term businesses on our list. Number 6 is the paper tube manufacturing machine. If you are looking for a highly profitable business with very low competition, this is a hidden gem on our list. Paper tubes and cores are those thick, rigid cardboard cylinders that almost everyone overlooks, but industrial factories cannot survive without. They are heavily used in the textile industry for winding fabrics, in the paper and plastic film industries, and even for premium gift and cosmetics packaging. Because it's a highly specific niche, you won't find the market overcrowded with thousands of casual sellers. The smartest way to turn this machine into a cash machine is by targeting local textile mills and manufacturing plants. These factories operate around the clock and require a constant, ongoing supply of heavy-duty cores. Once you secure a contract with just 2 or 3 local mills, you have a guaranteed, high-volume recurring revenue stream. But let's look at the operational risk, because this machine requires technical discipline. Industrial clients buy these tubes because they need them to fit perfectly into high-speed spinning machinery. If your tubes are off by even a millimeter, Or if the glue bond isn't perfectly strong, the tubes will warp or crush under industrial pressure, and you will lose that client instantly. Precision and machine maintenance are absolutely critical here. To market this successfully and land those lucrative B2B contracts, forget standard social media. The money here is made through direct industrial networking. Print out precise technical spec sheets of your tubes, manufacture a flawless batch of samples, and schedule direct pitches with the procurement managers of local factories. Show them you can deliver exact dimensions with rapid turnaround times, and you can easily dominate your local industrial market. Number 7 is the corrugated box manufacturing machine. If you want to tap into the absolute backbone of the modern global economy, this is the machine you need to look at. Think about the sheer scale of e-commerce. Every single item shipped by Amazon, Flipkart, or local online boutiques requires a sturdy corrugated cardboard box. From electronics and cosmetics to heavy furniture, nothing moves without shipping boxes. The demand is massive, nonstop, and growing exponentially every single year. This business model is incredibly flexible, making it perfect for hungry entrepreneurs. You don't need a $1 million automated factory on day one. You can actually start small and highly profitable by setting up a basic die cutting unit. You buy flat, pre-made corrugated sheets from local paper mills. Use your machine to cut and crease them into specific box sizes and sell them directly to local manufacturers and online sellers. As your profits roll in, you can easily reinvest that cash to upgrade into a fully automated production line. But let's talk about the sharp financial edge of this industry that you must manage carefully. Because corrugated boxes rely heavily on paper, your business will be sensitive to fluctuations in raw material costs. If paper prices spike and you haven't budgeted for it, your profit margins can get squeezed overnight. To protect your cash flow and keep your profits high, you need 2 things: tight inventory management and direct B2B marketing. Don't waste time trying to sell individual boxes to retail consumers. Target local manufacturing hubs, food processors, clothing brands, and independent e-commerce sellers who need to buy boxes by the thousand. Offer them custom sizes tailored exactly to their products so they can save on shipping costs. Position yourself as their reliable, local packaging partner, and the sheer volume of repeat orders will secure you a massive piece of the e-commerce boom. Number 7 is the corrugated box manufacturing machine. If you want to tap into the absolute backbone of the modern global economy, this is the machine you need to look at. Think about the sheer scale of e-commerce. Every single item shipped by Amazon, Flipkart, or local online boutiques requires a sturdy corrugated cardboard box. From electronics and cosmetics to heavy furniture, nothing moves without shipping boxes. The demand is massive, nonstop, and growing exponentially every single year. This business model is incredibly flexible, making it perfect for hungry entrepreneurs. You don't need a $1 million automated factory on day one. You can actually start small and highly profitable by setting up a basic die cutting unit. You buy flat, pre-made corrugated sheets from local paper mills. Use your machine to cut and crease them into specific box sizes and sell them directly to local manufacturers and online sellers. As your profits roll in, you can easily reinvest that cash to upgrade into a fully automated production line. But let's talk about the sharp financial edge of this industry that you must manage carefully. Because corrugated boxes rely heavily on paper, your business will be sensitive to fluctuations in raw material costs. If paper prices spike and you haven't budgeted for it, your profit margins can get squeezed overnight. To protect your cash flow and keep your profits high, you need 2 things: tight inventory management and direct B2B marketing. Don't waste time trying to sell individual boxes to retail consumers. Target local manufacturing hubs, food processors, clothing brands, and independent e-commerce sellers who need to buy boxes by the thousand. Offer them custom sizes tailored exactly to their products so they can save on shipping costs. Position yourself as their reliable, local packaging partner, and the sheer volume of repeat orders will secure you a massive piece of the e-commerce boom. Number 9 is the paper cup manufacturing machine. If you want a business with an absolute guarantee of non-stop, daily consumer demand, this is one of the safest bets on the entire list. Think about how many times people grab a coffee or a cup of tea every single day. Whether it's at local tea stalls, juice bars, corporate offices, or massive events, the volume of cups consumed daily is staggering. And now that governments everywhere have strictly banned single-use plastic cups, the entire beverage industry has shifted permanently to paper. This machine is a high-speed moneymaker. It automatically feeds paper blanks, wraps them, seals the seams using ultrasonic heat, and rolls the rims at an incredible pace. You can manufacture multiple sizes, from tiny espresso and teacups to large juice and coffee cups. The beauty of this business model is the sheer speed of consumption. A single busy corporate office or a popular local cafe can burn through thousands of cups a week, meaning your revenue is fueled by continuous, rapid repeat orders. But let's look at the financial hurdle you have to clear to actually make a profit. Because paper cups are in such high demand, this is a highly competitive sector. There are plenty of local manufacturers out there, and if you try to compete purely on who can sell a plain white cup for the lowest fraction of a cent, you will destroy your profit margins. The secret to unlocking high profit margins here is customization and branding. Don't just sell generic cups to wholesalers. Approach local coffee shops, juice chains, and corporate brands, and offer them custom logo printing right on their cups. For a cafe, a custom-printed cup is their most powerful local marketing tool. Every customer who walks out the door is carrying a walking billboard for their business. By offering high-quality custom printing, guaranteeing leak-proof seams, and ensuring prompt delivery so local vendors never run out of inventory, you can charge a premium and easily beat out the low-cost, generic competition. Number 10 brings us to the paper plate making machine. If you want to start a manufacturing business with the absolute lowest barrier to entry and minimal startup costs, this is exactly where you should look. Think about the sheer scale of social events, weddings, catering functions, festivals, and religious gatherings. They all require an astronomical amount of single-use tableware. Because plastic plates have been heavily restricted or outright banned, paper plates have completely taken over the event and catering industries. This business model is incredibly friendly for beginners. You don't need a large industrial space or a massive bank loan to get started. You can actually launch this venture from a small spare room or a low-capacity unit at home using a manual, hand-operated machine. The process is simple. The machine uses heat and high pressure to stamp plain, laminated sheets of paper into rigid, durable plates. As your client base grows and your cash flow increases, you can easily upgrade to a semi-automatic or fully automated multi-die machine to boost your daily output. But let's look at the critical business risk you must manage if you want to keep this business highly profitable year-round: seasonal raw material availability and price shifts. The event and wedding industries are highly seasonal, which means demand spikes drastically during certain months. If you don't plan ahead, raw material suppliers will hike their prices right when you need paper sheets the most, crushing your profit margins. To maximize your returns, you must practice smart inventory planning. Buy your raw materials in bulk during the off-season when prices are at their lowest so you can maintain a steady production line. For your marketing strategy, bypass individual retail buyers and go straight for the high-volume clients. Build strong direct relationships with local catering companies, wedding planners, and wholesale markets that distribute single-use items. Offer them bulk packages and consistent quality that won't buckle under heavy food, and you can establish a highly reliable, steady stream of income in your local market. That wraps up the top 10 eco-packaging machines. If you're ready to start your own profitable business, smash that subscribe button for more high-value ideas. See you in the next video.